All right, so our first demonstration today is going to be using a tennis ball and a meter stick, and we are going to measure out two different heights. Our first height is going to be dropping a tennis ball at 40 centimeters, which is right here. And our second height is going to be dropping at 90 centimeters. So I'm going to drop it at 40, and you can record your observations as the ball falls. So here goes 40. Okay. Okay, so that's height 1. And now height 2 is all the way up here at 90 centimeters. So we're quite a bit of distance away. So you are going to watch the ball fall from 90 centimeters and see what the differences are. Okay? There we go. Here we go. Okay, so what you're looking at is the differences between height 1, which was 40 centimeters, versus 90 centimeters. Okay, so that is part 1 of the investigation. Now let's go to part 2, which is using a pendulum, and our pendulum is here. And so we will drop the pendulum from 2 heights. The first height that we will drop it from is 70 centimeters, and then we'll drop it again from 90 centimeters. Okay, so again, we're just looking at differences between the motion at 70 versus 90. Okay, so here goes height 1, which is 70 centimeters. Okay, and here's height 2 at 90 centimeters. Okay, so you will be recording your observations on your report, and we'll see you later. Bye.